So this property does boast an 18-hole golf course. Alrighty, we are giving a quick review of the Doubletree here in Indio, California. Pretty dated tub, to be honest. These are decent. Shampoo and conditioners, I like them. No phosphates. Uh-oh, who's that good looking guy? Hey, hey. And then we'll come in here, double queen, nice open air. And then we have direct access to the pool, which is quite nice. And then we also have the fire pit right here for nighttime. So, not bad. A little stop over here on the way to LA, so we can get some pool time and some golf time. You can see just a small cupboard area, and then again a little bathroom. So we'll go over a little bit more of the property and get out of this room, huh? I'm gonna test this out. Hey guys, mom's in this video, so you guys are lucky today. We're here at the Doubletree Hilton, having some lunch, gonna enjoy maybe some golf, and then maybe some pool time. But I wanted to give a quick review on this burger. Let's see here. Let's take a look at the insides. Bring it back up. What are you looking down there for? Look at me, look at me, look at you. So here's gonna be your layers. I'm definitely gonna throw some ketchup and some steak sauce on this, but let's just get the first initial. Chewy gooey. Good flavors. How's yours? Good food. Alright, so I had to give a shout out for this salad. I was like, whatever. This stuff is packed with greens, fresh apples, fresh tomatoes, and there's a lot of salad here. These fresh apples and fresh sliced cucumbers. It's freaking tasty. 4 stars on this salad. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get in here. Oh, if I could get it done. There we go. So it looks like we've got a nice little setup. Some machines, Pelotons, not bad. And then we've got the Life Fitness pull-up bar for sure. Dumbbells. Some leg machines right here and here, but honestly I really like this one for abs. If you want to get some abs, you always got to do this machine, but I'm really happy. Here, I might even do a pull-up for you guys. Let's see if I can get this gimbal to do the right thing. We'll find out really quickly. Let's try it real quick. Can he do one pull-up? Solid little gym, you can get a good workout in. Let's check out the quencher. Get your quench, and then you'll have some nice towels. Little golf simulator here in the hotel. All right, guys, we are in Indio, California, right next to Coachella. And we're gonna test out this golf course. So it's about 105 degrees out there, and it's humid as heck. But we're gonna get out there and do 9, see what it's like. Probably sweat quite a bit, and then come back for a nice dinner. And then tomorrow we're going to Glen Ivy, which is a hot and cold spring resort. It's got mud bath, sauna, steam room, and massage. So thinking just wear ourselves out pretty good today, have a nice dinner, and then head on over to the Glen Ivy Hot Springs in the morning. Dear ladies and gentlemen, it is 105 out here in Palm Springs on July 8th of 2024. And I'm coming to you to tell you that I am a sun bum kind of guy, especially with this new hairdo out in the sun. You guys know the routine. A little bit here, a little bit here like this. Here's how we do it, ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wow. You really want to make sure you get in the eyes here and then spread it out. Don't forget your ears. Sun bum approved. All right, so after getting all prepared with my sunscreen, we got to get up here, throw on the Callaways, just for a little extra grip in your swing, if you know what I'm saying. And yes, this is still related to the review of the hotel, because the golf course experience is going to affect whether we're 5 stars or 6 stars, you know what I'm saying? So, about to get the PXGs out. Oh, it's hot. We're gonna have to get 2 liters of water, pull out the PXGs, and then get after this course. I'm talking pars and bogues only. Pars and bogues. Pars and bogues. Here we go. I'll show you my brand new set. Bam. This is a brand new set of the PXGs. 029 1176s. I don't even think they're on the market yet, and so you guys better stay tuned to this swing. Alright guys, so after hole 1, my phone is actually so hot that it turned off, so I had to put it in the ice bucket. It's so freaking hot out here. But I got a 5 on a par 4, so I bogeyed the first hole. And Mom?
I got a 6 on a par 5.
Oh, par 5. Nice, I parred it then. Sweet. I could deal with that. All right, on to hole 2. Stay tuned, it's hot. All right, so it is about 111 now out here in Palm Springs. And Mom just hit one right into the water. So she's gonna take a drop. And then I'm lying 3 over here on a par 5, so I'm thinking chip and a putt, baby. Let's par this one out and get to hole 3. Well, there's another par there on hole 5. So I'm just +2 today so far. And for those of you who are crazy enough to golf in 115 in Palm Springs geese, you're gonna be sweating a lot. So, how you doing, Jane?
I'm hot.
She's dying. She got a towel in the ice bucket so that she can just look.
Oh.
She just dunks it in the ice bucket and then gets it done. So, all right, hole 6. What do we got? Here, let me show you. Hole 6 is gonna be. We're out here on hole 7, and that is an absolutely beautiful mountain, but the smoke and wind and dust has all got it blocked up. But it's all good because check this out. A lily pad forest. Oh, look it, there's a bunch of duckies. Bark, 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 bark. See if I can zoom on these guys for you. Oh, that's me. Oh no, let's not look at that. There we go. Hey duckies. Quick, 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 quick. Follow the leader. Quick, 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 quick. Anyways, my ball is right here. So I got a pitch and a putt. See, here she is. So let's see if I can get a pitch and a putt. All right, so we accomplished the pitch. Little high with a little angle that I'm not really that concerned about. But we got about a 10-foot putt to make to par hole 7. Here we go. Too much, not too little. Oh. All right, we are on the 9th hole. There's the hotel right there. So looks really beautiful. Beautiful course, good food. And so this hole is the 9th hole. It's wedged in between 2 bodies of water. So right and left you're getting soaked. Otherwise, if you get it straight down the middle, then that sets you up for a nice chip with the 9 right up to the green. So there's Mom and here's me. Uh-oh, she went swimming. So if you want to hold this for me, here, I'm gonna try and go ahead and put this right on the green for you guys. Just stay tuned and be happy. It's recording. All right, straight shot.
Cart path in the water.
Oh, we both went swimming. already pooped from golfing, so we're just gonna split this tower of nachos and maybe a blue moon before we wind down and head on out before we go to the springs tomorrow.